if you whispering.
I'll say it.
Say it. Say action.
Action.
Good job. All right, today we are making chocolate chip cookies. Now, Mother's Day is coming around the corner, and I love chocolate chip cookies. That's one of my favorite treats, and we all like treats, right? You like treats?
Yeah.
You like treats? Yes. But here's the thing about treats. They have a lot of sugar in them. They have a lot of calories. So we found healthier chocolate chip cookies, okay? So that's what we're going to do today. And we're probably going to make more healthier treats down the line, but we're going to start with chocolate chip cookies. All right, so I know everybody doesn't know who we are. My name is Khadijah, and I am their mother. These are my two little people. What's your name? What? You got to say it loud. What's your name? Callie. And what's your name?
Katie.
Katie. Okay, tell the audience. What's your name?
Katie.
All right, so that's Katie, and this is Callie, and we are making chocolate chip cookies for you all. And what's his name? Who is this?
What?
Olaf. Is Olaf cooking with us? Is he baking with us?
No, carrot nose.
What? He got a carrot nose. Are we using this carrot with our cookies?
Chips.
What? No, we're not.
Betray.
Oh my goodness. Okay, well, before we get started, what's the first thing we have to do?
Wash your hands.
What you gotta do before you cook?
Wash your hands.
Okay, you gotta wash your hands, all right? Wash your hands, wash your hands. Okay, we're back. Listen, so we have never made these before, so the whole thing is we're gonna make them and then we're gonna see if they're good, especially since they're a healthier version. We're not even sure how they taste, but hopefully they're good. All right, so the first thing you guys have to do is it calls for like oat flour, or you could take oatmeal. So I have the Quaker Oats oatmeal. You can take oatmeal and then you just blend it up. All right. That's our flour. Oh, we don't need to mix it right now. Hold on. We have to put more ingredients in. Okay. So the next thing you guys need to do is combine the vanilla extract. Here's the vanilla extract. But let me see how much you need. You need 2 teaspoons.
Yeah.
Is that a teaspoon?
Yes.
Now I'm gonna just trust that you're doing the right thing. I'm not even gonna check. Is that a teaspoon? Okay. Not yet. You're ready to mix. Now we have to put a large egg. You're gonna crack it? Wait. Crack it and put it in the bowl, okay? So we can make sure no shells get inside the mix, okay? All right. So crack it. I'm scared. You gotta do it? Go ahead. Crack it.
That's not that good.
No, good. Oh, good. No shells. Good. All right.
Can I pour it in now?
So we only need, it's not even a lot of sugar. We only need 4 tablespoons of the dark brown sugar. And then I can put it inside my little container right here.
4 tablespoons.
Yeah, so find the tablespoon. No, not in the rice. No, not the rice. In the sugar. I have a sugar one. See my sugar one. But it's I was running out, so I had to buy some more. Mima has some too. Mima has everything that I have. These cookies gonna be so good. Ooh, I can't wait. You said you like what? You like cracking eggs? I know you did. I thought you did a really good job at cracking it. You didn't get any shells inside that bowl, girl. You a good egg cracker. Mm-hmm. I know. We're gonna have you crack all the eggs. Oh, yeah. I think I messed up. I don't think we were supposed to combine all that. I think we were supposed to do the wet stuff first. They wanted us to just blend the oats. I don't think, but you know what? It's all going to be like mixed up together. I don't think it really matters. All right, so look, the coconut oil. Get the coconut oil. So we have regular coconut oil. Now, I've never actually cooked with Okay, but you said you ate it before? Like you just ate the coconut oil by itself? Girl? Okay, we don't do that. How much do we need? We need half a cup of coconut oil. That's a lot of coconut oil. These gonna be some greasy cookies. No! Callie, that's oil. Don't eat it. Why y'all always trying to eat stuff?
That's my yucky. Not hoping.
It's really not that bad.
It's oil. Alright, let's throw this in the microwave. Okay, see, it says beat everything together until it's like just combined, and then it says stir in the oat flour. But since we already stirred everything up together, so we just gonna take our spoon here and stir, and then Callie can stir. Which one you gonna stir? You gonna use that, the big one? All right, I'm about to put it. You know what? I believe I'm gonna blame it on the recipe because it should have said separated. It didn't say separated. It said do it, so I just assumed that you're just gonna put it all together. All right, maybe I should do it one at a time. Let them see how it looks. Like put it to the camera.
Mama, see.
Wait, can I
Y'all see how it looks? I don't know. Can y'all see it? But they gonna be so good. They gonna be yummy. Show them how this gonna be. Wait, let's see. They gonna be what? They gonna be yummy in your tummy. They gonna be good. We hoping. I'm hoping they gonna be good. No, baby, don't lick that. I don't know if this is a type of cookie mix you could just lick.
I want to try it.
We gonna see.
I'm gonna lick the bowl. Callie can spin.
Like Peppa lick the bowl when she cook. She do. George be licking the bowl.
Can you add whipped cream to it?
Mommy, I have mommy eat.
Can we add a little bit of caramel?
Look, the whole point. You want to put meat. You want to put whipped cream and caramel. Look, the whole point of this is supposed to be a healthier chocolate chip cookie. No, we're not adding whipped cream and caramel. So we had little bumps along the way, but it's okay. It's okay. It's gonna come out good. As long as Kate doesn't spill it. What are you licking and eating?
Nothing.
She got a whole mouthful of something. She's over here chewing something.
It's not.
Is she covering her mouth? What are you eating?
We're not eating
You eating
anything.
cinnamon?
We're not eating anything. It was her idea.
Let them. Can y'all see her? I don't think they can see Callie's face. Can y'all see Callie's face?
No,
No, they can't see her face. You gotta make sure they can see her face.
it's not right.
Okay, now no.
It's nobody here. It's nobody here.
It's for all that.
I told you, the camera is our audience. Callie, the camera is our audience. I think these are like adult proof.
Let me
Mommy,
see.
Wait, I can do it. Stop.
No, you can't.
Okay.
Are you sure about that?
So pour.
Rinse it out.
Yeah, rinse it out. Okay, what are you doing? You just adding stuff. That's love. Just sprinkle a little love in there. That's what you did. Show them how you're folding it, just in case anybody doesn't know what folding is. Wait,
Callie,
okay.
no,
It look like y'all don't know what folding is.
I
either.
do. Callie, no,
Hey, okay, that's enough. Stop. Oh, you know what? I should have read this before we even did this. Okay, so now we have. What y'all is over here doing?
Done.
Okay, so now we have to chill it for 1 hour.
No, Callie!
What are you doing? What are you doing? This is a hot mess. Okay, give me this. Get your hands, Callie. Stop. Don't put your hands in there. All right, everybody go wash your hands. We gotta put this in there. This is how it looks. Can y'all see it? This is how it looks.
Are those some cookies?
Okay,
So we gotta put it. Oh man, y'all go to the bathroom and wash your hands. What happened?
That tastes like
It's okay.
baking
I'll
soda.
clean it up. And we're gonna put this in the refrigerator for 1 whole hour, and then we'll come back and show y'all the results. I'm kinda scared. But they gonna be so good. They're gonna be so good, right?
Kelly, now let's mix it.
So, no, wait. You see this spoon?
Yes.
Take this spoon,
No, I got it.
scoop it out, put it in your hand, make a ball, and you're gonna place the ball on the, well, it said parchment paper, but all we had was wax paper. So we're gonna just put it on wax paper.
Yeah, wax paper.
Hopefully it's the same thing.
So, not be wax paper.
Okay, so do what I said. Scoop it and put it in her hand too, so she can have some and make a ball. All right,
Really
y'all not listening.
oily.
Yeah, we're baking. I think you need oil.
Big here.
And the oven is already preheated to 350. Make a cookie. Put it in between.
Do you want us to make a ball for us to just
Here.
eat?
Make a ball with that.
No, oh, yeah, I'll taste it.
We're gonna taste the cookies when they're finished. Okay? No. You could.
Is
Got.
it good?
What are y'all doing?
Yeah, it is.
How does it taste?
Tastes delicious. You can really taste that baking soda.
She said, "You can really taste the baking soda. That ain't what we trying to taste."
The oats, maybe?
No, it's
Okay.
baking soda.
Baking soda don't even taste good.
I mean, like.
What are y'all talking about?
Good.
All right, we're finished with this. This is going in the sink.
Wait, no. Wait.
And you're not licking the bowl because y'all already was eating it. And I'm sure you are not supposed to consume raw dough. Don't consume raw dough.
I did it before.
Don't watch them. Don't do what they are doing. Right
Black cock.
You can do it. It's not gonna kill anybody.
now. All right. Now we have to put it in the oven for 8 minutes. 8 to 10, but we're gonna do
8 minutes. I thought it was like 6 hours.
Oh. I don't know why they look like this. Oh. But they probably still gonna be good. So let's get something to we could just pull it apart. Let me see.
I need whipped cream.
You don't need whipped cream. They're healthy cookies.
Of course they are.
They're healthy cookies. So this is what they were supposed to look like. Let me show y'all.
Look
I'm not sure what went wrong, but this is what they were supposed to look like. And this is what we got.
Not
But
that bad.
it seems like it's not
Good.
they're like falling apart.
Actually, really good.
You like it?
I did it.
You just eat anything that's sweet. It's not even that sweet. I don't know what I don't even
I
know.
still taste a lot of baking soda, but it's good.
I taste coconut oil. And
And that's what you get for putting so much coconut.
you wanna taste it? You wanna taste it? You don't even wanna taste it.
But I just taste
You got a little
baking
accident.
soda,
While the
coconut
cookies was in
oil,
the oven.
chocolate chips,
She fell off the table.
Trying to be
and
like
oatmeal.
So
Trying to
she in a bad mood
figure out
right
the
now.
taste.
I already know all the taste.
I don't know if I like that. Y'all, what you think? This was an epic fail?
Wait, I know.
What you think, Katie?
I think that'll be better. With
Katie, stop. We're not putting whipped cream on it. We gotta just keep tasting it. Hold on, keep eating it and see if it get better. And it's just falling apart.
I'm more.
I
I want more.
Yeah, in my mouth.
In your mouth. Okay, y'all defeating the healthy point of what we're doing here. I'm still trying to grasp the concept of these cookies. Look at this. This don't make no sense. Okay, we gotta try something else
Want
next time, y'all. Maybe we'll try some vegan brownies or something. I don't know. You wanna taste it? Alright, we need somebody else to taste it. Alright, so what y'all think? Y'all think this was an epic fail or y'all think we did something?
I mean,
What? What you think?
I think it was an epic fail, but if you added whipped cream and caramel, it would be better.
Why are you eating a thing?
I don't know.
What you think? Did you like it?
It's just a party, so
Did you like it?
Yeah, party.
exactly.
Did you like the cookies?
Yeah, party.
Did you like the cookies, Callie?
My party.
Did the party like the cookies, Callie?
I think it was a fail because you can't even grasp it. It's not like a cookie. I think we're just eating ingredients.
Let me see.
We're eating baked ingredients. So
Okay.
I don't
If
know if I
caramel, it'll be
recommend this to
better.
anybody. I'm gonna find
Add
another
some
recipe
Caramel.
for us to try for you guys.
Add some caramel.
Put this thing in there.
Yep.
We probably gonna eat it though. Well, they're probably gonna eat it.
Yeah, eat it.
But yeah, I'm about to stop eating right now.
Party.
And when you
A
add the
hundred
caramel, what it
times
do?
better.
What it do when you add the caramel?
Whoa.
It made it taste better. Nah.
I don't need to say more.
Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Tell them to subscribe if they're not already subscribed. Callie, tell them to give the video a thumbs up.